So why exactly should you be investing in this project? Situated in a rapidly growing western corridor of Hyderabad, it gives you strong resale and rental demand. Let's also understand about the builder. The builder has operated over 11 years of experience building residential communities across Hyderabad and Bangalore. So here's presenting Vaishno Skyview by Vaishno Ventures, a high-rise luxurious gated community with skyline living. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am a class. Today we will be doing the project overview of Vaishno Skyview by Vaishno Ventures, located in Osman Nagar, Kollur, Ramachandrapuram, Hyderabad. But before starting, this is what the surrounding of the project is going to look like. So your marketing office is present right on this corner and your land parcel is exactly on the opposite side. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Not unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In this video, we will also be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Now let's quickly understand your project. So this project is constructed on 3.76 acres of land parcel, featuring 2 towers with 2 basements, 4 podium, ground and 36 floors. It also includes your 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK premium residences. Now, coming over to your location part, the exact location of your project, which is located on Osman Nagar Road, Ramachandrapuram, Kollur, Hyderabad. You see from here, your Samasti International School, your Nehru Outer Ring Road, and even your Lingampalli railway station is only a few minutes away from here. Now let's talk about your distance connectivity part. So your Samasti International School, you're just 2.1 kilometers away, your Nehru Outer Ring Road 2.2 kilometers away, and your Lingampalli railway station is just 9.3 kilometers away. Now let's talk about the amenities part. Of course, the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which is going to include your grand clubhouse that is going to be 50,000 square feet. Then you will also have your kids play area, your swimming pool area, a lot of multi-purpose courts and a lot more. Now, if all this while you have been planning to buy a house right here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. You need to watch Rights of Home Buyers series. Many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to the builder, later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? After possession, you have leakage, construction quality related issues. Sometimes you don't even know what liabilities. So as a home buyer, it's very important to know all these important topics, and we have explained it in a very simple and easy to understandable manner. You'll find the link of it in the description below. Coming over to the super built up area, for 3 BHK it is 2010 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 2225,
2890 square feet.
Let's understand the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well, and will also assist you through the booking process. So if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Vaishno Skyview by Vaishno Ventures, located in Kollur, Osman Nagar, Hyderabad, Ramachandrapuram, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey and do not forget to click on the link from where you can easily download your e-brochure and your pricing sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.